Here's my no BS take on what is machine vision and why you should be using it. So maybe you've heard the term machine vision, maybe you haven't. What does it mean? Well, the clue's in the name. It's putting vision onto machines. It's the eyes of your automation process. In the good old days, when production lines first started, there was hundreds of people that would move products along, adding things to them as they went. And there was an inherent amount of inspection that went on. As someone picked up a part, they'd notice if there was something wrong with it and they'd take it off the production line. Then we started automating these things and suddenly those inspections weren't being done. So we needed to add a camera system that would inspect that and check the quality of our production. Machine vision applications tend to fall into four categories: guidance, inspection, gauging, and identification. So guidance could be finding an object and giving its position to a robot. It could be finding the rotation of something and orientating it with a servo. Inspection, the broadest term. Is it good or is it bad? Is it scratched? Are all my bolts there? Anything that's checking the quality of something falls into inspection. Gauging, measuring, is it the right size? Obviously people take components off and they measure them offline, but machine vision allows us to do it online, checking the dimensions, making sure a hole's been drilled, the size or shape of our part all falls under gauging. And then we've got identification. Could be as simple as reading a barcode or a data matrix code or a QR code, could be reading a best before date or a serial number, or it could be identifying something just based on classification. Does it look like one type or another? Machine vision systems at their root is a camera that's taking an image. It's passing that to a processor that's running some software. We're then going to make a decision. Is that a good one or a bad one? What are the coordinates? What does the code read? And we're going to output that either by digital I/O or over Ethernet to another part of the process. Could be a robot, could be a PLC, could be a rejector on the line. What machine vision does is an insurance policy to make sure that what's coming off at the end of your production line is good quality and ready to be sent out to your customers. So that's it, machine vision in a nutshell. If you want to make sure the quality of your product is good, give me a call.